Want to sell your Pokemon cards for the most money in 2025? Let me show you the best places to sell them and get top dollar. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Research your card's value. Before selling, research your card's value. Use sites like tcgplayer, eBay, and price charting to check the current market price for your cards. Look at the condition and rarity to determine the best price range. Step 2. Use eBay for auctions and fixed price sales. One of the best platforms to sell Pokemon cards is eBay. You can set up an auction for high demand cards or list them at a fixed price. Auctions can drive up prices if there's competition, and fixed prices work for rare or highly sought after cards. Step 3. Sell on tcgplayer. Another great option is tcgplayer, especially for rare and valuable cards. It's a dedicated marketplace for trading cards, so collectors and sellers alike trust it. Create an account, list your cards, and you're ready to go. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Consider selling on Facebook Marketplace or Instagram. If you want to avoid fees, try selling directly on Facebook Marketplace or Instagram. Create posts showcasing your cards and use hashtags to attract buyers. Be sure to take good photos and include detailed descriptions. Step 5. Explore Pokemon card-specific platforms. For a more niche audience, consider selling on Pokemon-specific forums like Pokemon Collectors or Pokemon Trading Card Game groups on Discord. These platforms let you directly connect with buyers who are passionate about collecting cards. Step 6. Pack and ship safely. When your cards sell, make sure to pack them securely using top loaders and bubble wrap to protect them during shipping. Always use tracking, especially for high value cards, and consider insurance for extra protection. That's how to sell your Pokemon cards for the most money in 2025. Research, use the best platforms, and ship your cards safely. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.